Hello dear children. Let's start with English Balbharati Unit 1, a happy song.
Clap, 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 clap your hands together. Tap, 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 tap your feet together. Walk, 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 walk around together. Jump, 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 jump around together. Sing, 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 sing a song together. Wave, 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 wave your hands together. Touch, 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 touch your toes together. Turn, 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 turn around together.
Children, hope you enjoyed listening to the song. But you also have to learn the songs with actions, okay? Now let's read the words used in the song. Look and say k, clap, h, hands, t, tap, f, feet, w, walk, y, your, j, jump, t, together, a, around. Let's repeat once again, children. K, clap, h, hands, t, tap, f, feet, w, walk, y, your, j, jump, t, together, a, around. Children, you have to learn the spelling of all the words, okay? That's all for today in this class. Do like, share and subscribe for further updates. Bye.